Hello.
Hello.
My name is Teacher Jonna. What's your name?
My name is Lily.
And how old are you, Lily?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay. Now you're going to look at the pictures for part 1. And you're going to tell me what is their job. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Number 1, he is a...
He is a clown.
2.
She is a cook. She is a doctor. A dentist.
Yes.
He is a doctor. He is a farmer. She is a film star. He is a police officer.
Number 7.
She is a police.
Number 7 is doctor and
Doctor.
in the hospital we have doctor and
Doctor and nurse.
okay. Number 7 is
Police officer.
nurse. She is a
She is a
nurse. 8.
He is a parent.
And
He is a pop star.
yes. Okay, now let's look at the pictures. Okay, so part 2 is picture story. It's called Children Like Painting. Now look at picture 1. Where are they?
They are drawing.
Where are they? In the
house.
Which room?
Two is living room.
Okay, they are in the living room. Now what are Claire and Julia doing?